Hi guys, this is Bhaskar Berry. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And in this video, I'm going to talk about Python patterns. I'll design various patterns using Python programming language. So these questions might be asked in interviews randomly to just check your knowledge on the language and your thinking process on that. So I'll be covering from basics to advanced. So let's start with the simple square pattern programs here. So the first question would be like give the number of stars in a row. Okay, how do you print the number of stars in a row? Based on the input what the user is going to give us. Okay, so let's try it out with the exam, the practical. So I just opened the edit place, so you can use any of the IDE or Jupyter Notebook, any of the which is available with you. So I'm going to use a Python these things. Okay, so for these functions, I'll be using the print function as well as the range functions. So first, what we need to do is we need to get the how many number of stars we need to print. So get the input from the user. So let me assign it to a variable n, and so this is input from the keyboard, whatever the user is requesting us. So this value probably he prints and it will be in a string format. So we need to convert it into an integer. So I'll be adding an int function here before that. So once this n will have a integer value like 2, 3, 4, 5 sequence of numbers kind of things. So for that I'll be looping through the for loop for I in range of n. So suppose for example if the user has given us 2, so the range will be like 0, comma 1 because it will be n minus 1 values will be used in the range function. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to just print it the stars here. So we'll see what would be the output here. But okay, put it in a string format. Okay, I've just saved it. So let me execute that function here. Using the command prompt line, I can execute it. So if you observe here, we are getting the when I enter the value 4, we are getting in the column wise, but I want in a row wise to be printed that one. Okay, so to do that, let me change the print function here. The print function um, is just by default the ending is a new line, so that's the reason we are seeing it in the new line. So let me change that to and print it in the same line by giving some space here. Okay, and if we print it now, you'll get the required format. See, I'm just printing it as 4. See, now you can see that 4 stars in a row. So like that, you can give a different number of values, suppose like 10. So based on the user requirement, the stars will be printed here. Okay. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe my YouTube channel, guys.